everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today what I did is an infill of my UV gel or my 4D sculpting gel nails. I have already filed off any lifting and I have already shortened them, so they are now actually just like an overlay of my natural nails. So I'm just going in with my Miss You Beauty base coat here. I do just apply it all over the nail just because I find it a bit easier. It just adds an extra layer of gel to my nails just to protect them a bit more. And then I cure this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So as before, I just apply a small amount of my 4D sculpting gel to the cuticle area of my nail, or the area that needs filling in, and with my gel brush I do sort of dip it in to my residue remover also, and I just pat it out across my nail and smooth it out, make sure it's all lovely and smooth, and then I cure each nail in my LED lamp for 60 seconds before I move on to the next one. So I finished all the nails. I remove the tacky layer with some gel cleanser, and then I go in with my Efile just to make sure that the area near the cuticle is very smooth and there will be no lifting, and also make sure that the actual nail is nice and smooth, ready for gel polish application. So the gel polish that I'm using is a new one that I've received from Miss You Beauty. It is called Miss Sunshine 03. It's from the Miss Sunshine collection and it's an absolutely beautiful green. So I apply 2 coats of this to my nails. I cure each coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in with my second coat. So the next new item that I use on my nails is this diamond glitter from Miss You Beauty. It is called Peridot and it's £15 plus VAT on the website. So just give it a little stir here to make sure that all the glitter is mixed in well with the gel, ready for application. So because I really liked my previous design with the blue gel polishes, I thought I'd do the same with the green here. So with my gel brush I just apply a small amount of this glitter to the top or the cuticle area of my nail and just brush it down gently to make it like an ombre effect. And then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So as you can see, this gel is really easy to work with as well, and I just love the texture of it. There's chunky pieces of green glitter in there and there's some tiny pieces. It's absolutely lovely, and the gel itself is transparent, so you can really see the colour in those glitter pieces there. So yeah, I love it. And now what I am doing is I just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat to my nails, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and I apply some cuticle oil. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I do have my discount code for Miss You Beauty. All the links to the items that I used in this video will be in the description box. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for more videos like this. Take care, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.